I'm about to go to the machine shop, take all of my stuff, engine internals, and hopefully they're going to bore the cylinder block. That's gonna be bored to 48.5 mil, and I've got forged pistons for this. This is apparently the 8.0 compression pistons, and I've got the forged conrods, bolts, and this one is a from 324 TD forged crankshaft, and I assume they're going to have to grind a little, and due to bad storage I got surface rust, so I assume they are going to grind it to the first oversize, which is 0.25, and yeah, I just can't wait to see this. Long time waiting. So hopefully in my next video I'm going to have a engine.